Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Safari on your Mac isn't working properly, maybe pages aren't loading, you're stuck on a blank screen, or the loading bar just freezes, don't worry. I'm going to show you a simple fix that solves most Safari issues, plus an extra method in case the first one doesn't fully work. Let's jump in. First, open Safari and go to the top menu bar, click on Safari, then select Settings. When the Settings window opens, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll to the bottom and check the box that says Show Features for Web Developers. Now close the Settings window and look back at the top of your screen. You'll see a new option called Develop. Click it. From the list, choose Empty Caches. This removes temporary files that often cause websites to load incorrectly. Next, fully quit Safari. Now here's the important part. Hold down the Shift key while reopening Safari. This forces it to launch clean and helps fix stuck sessions. For most people, Safari should now be working normally. If you're still having issues, the problem might be caused by an extension. Now go to the top menu bar again. Click on Safari and select Settings. Then click on the Extensions tab. Here you'll see a list of installed extensions. Turn them all off temporarily by unchecking them. Now test Safari again and try loading a website. If it works, then one of your extensions was causing the issue. Turn them back on one by one to find the one that breaks Safari, then remove that extension. Between clearing the cache and checking extensions, you'll fix almost all Safari problems on Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.